but I haven't.
I can do it to that.
You can't! You've got the fucking thing on! Oh my god. Wait, and then you do that.
Wait, can't just do
You're gonna
that.
show me how to do that. Alright, just get down. Get down your legs.
With a spunk, you know, like.
Alright.
Carry on.
Right. And then like that.
Stab your back with
Right, no.
So, yeah, we know, we're
Just
just
go
amusing
down.
ourselves.
Just go down.
Right.
Right. Just stretch your leg out, right? Back on, back on, back on. Right, keep going. Keep going. Just keep going, Ali. Oh, you're the most unflexible beast in the world. What's wrong with you?
At least I can put my foot higher than yours.
I'm sorry. Trying to get one.
Can't do it.
You can't do it.
Do what?
You can't do it.
Can you put your foot behind your neck?
No, because that's weird.
I can. No, you just go like this.
Oh, it's so hot when you do that. Hey, beast
Check
in
me out.
action. Oh.
That's how we attract the male.
It is the male species.
Species.
Fucking cunts. All of them cunts.
Yeah, no. Oh, my drink.
That was adorable. It was
You got to mine.
Where's yours? What's that? What's that taste? Excellent, thank you.
We'll post it all over the internet.
Yeah, that can be our advertisement for pole dancing. Oh, is that on YouTube? No.
Awesome.
Wasn't sick. Right, thanks.
When you stick us
I love James. Oh my god. Did you have to cheerlead again? Can we stop it the last time?
You're going to do this on YouTube. No, you're going to do this.
One. And then you do like a kick and a high kick.
You've got to do it higher.
You do a high kick, right? High kick, and then
That's not a high kick.
no, but I can't fucking let it try properly. Can't do it, can't do it side. And then I front of my hand next. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you do next? I don't know what you do next.
You've got to do a booty shake thing.
Not the Beyonce. I'm doing around here, I'm doing that. Oh.
That's not what you got to do.
Nah. Got it, she said. Take me now, bitch. Take me now.
Hi.
Should we go back in now? I feel like I'm social loser.